Welcome back to the channel. Today, you're looking at something that completely changes the meaning of luxury on wheels. This is not just a truck. This is a full-size luxury home built on a massive truck chassis. At first glance, it looks like a powerful long-haul truck. But once you look closer, you realize this machine is designed for people who want freedom without giving up comfort. The exterior features a classic American-style heavy-duty truck paired with a beautifully crafted wooden house structure. Warm lighting, large windows, and a spacious balcony instantly make it feel like a real mountain cabin. This mobile mansion is built for long journeys and off-grid living. Imagine waking up every morning in a different location, mountains, deserts, forests, without leaving your home behind. The upper deck offers a wide balcony where you can enjoy sunsets, fresh air, and breathtaking views. The wooden finish gives it a cozy, cabin-style feel while still looking premium and modern. Inside, this truck house is designed like a luxury lodge. There's a comfortable living area, a fully functional kitchen, a sleeping space, and even a bathroom setup. Everything is carefully planned to maximize space while keeping the interior warm and inviting. This isn't camping, this is luxury living on the road. Power systems like solar panels, water storage, and advanced insulation make it perfect for long-term travel. Whether it's winter or summer, this truck home is built to handle extreme conditions while keeping you comfortable inside. This kind of vehicle is perfect for adventurers, digital nomads, or anyone who dreams of escaping city life without sacrificing comfort. It's freedom, power, and luxury, all combined into one incredible machine. So tell me in the comments, would you live in a truck like this and travel the world? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing vehicles and future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.